Hey guys, and welcome to another top 5 mints of the week where we every single Sunday cover the best 5 mints happening on Solana over the next 7 days. So if you enjoy these videos, just make sure to smash that like button and subscribe down below. I would highly appreciate it. We have some great projects in today's video, so I'm really excited to share them with you. Make sure to follow me over on Twitter as well. I'm currently hosting a giveaway for 3 whitelist spots for RetroWolves 2. RetroWolves is an awesome project I'm going to talk about in this video as well. I'm giving away 3 here on Twitter and 2 in my Patreon. If you haven't checked out my Patreon, definitely check that out. I recently made it like a week ago. It costs $5 per month and I basically share all of my NFT purchases and my calls, everything I'm gonna mint. I show you guys my exact crypto portfolio at all times so you can see exactly what cryptos I'm buying and selling. There will be exclusive giveaways and whitelist opportunities like this RetroWolves whitelist opportunity. And next week, for example, I'm gonna give away a bunch of whitelist spots for the Bulls and Bears Country Club 2, which is another project I'm super bullish on. And there's just an alpha general chat where everyone can share alpha with each other and help each other grow. So I just made it to create an even tighter community where I'm trying to be super active. So if that sounds interesting, link will be down below. Now with that said, let's jump right into this first project, which is RetroWolves. This is a super hyped up project at the moment. Basically 1111 RetroWolves launching on the Magic Eden Launchpad. This is a 100% whitelist mint, so you have to have whitelist to be able to mint this project. They have 5,226 followers and they're growing super quickly. They have some insane engagement on their tweets because everyone wants whitelist spots for this project. They're minting January 30th, so that's next Sunday. So you still have a week to try to get a whitelist spot for this project. They don't have a Discord or website yet. They said their Discord will go live today or tomorrow, so it should actually be live when you're watching this video. But it means that I'm not able to share a ton of details on this project because they don't have a website or a Discord with details. But basically, the supply is fairly low. I don't know the mint price yet, but with all the hype this project is getting right now, I think it will do really well. Their art looks like this. I think it looks super cool. So RetroWolves is the first project in today's list, and I'm giving away 3 whitelist spots on my Twitter and 2 in my Patreon. Now, project number 2 in today's video is Heavenland Metaverse. We build a virtual reality platform in which users can experience, improve, and monetize their assets. They have 18.6 thousand followers and they're followed by a lot of the big projects and big influencers in the space. Here's basically a quick video of how their metaverse will look. Obviously, it's super high quality, as you can see. If they can actually manage to deliver on these previews and sneak peeks, I think this could be really cool. They already have some awesome partnerships with Rogue Sharks, Piggy Soul Gang, Solomeds. They also recently announced 2 new brand ambassadors in Skelly Mode Soul and Parzival, which is another big influencer in the Solana NFT space. And this metaverse just looks insane. It looks super impressive, and as you know, metaverse projects in general are super hyped up at the moment, and basically every single metaverse project does extremely well. They're minting January 30th, which is next Sunday, so in 7 days. And here's basically a look of their metaverse. So you have Heavenland, World of Infinite Possibilities. So you have their metaverse, which is floating around in space, as you can see right here. Imagine you are living in a gravitational cylinder in the Earth's orbit. And then you have Heavenland is a futuristic city with the design stemming from up-to-date research of self-sustainable cities. Heavenland is how cities should look, not how they look today. And basically Heavenland's clusters comprise 30,000 individual parcels in total with sizes of 25 by 25 meters. And right here you have their roadmap. I'm not able to read through the entire thing because the video would be too long, but I'm actually going to do a dedicated video on this project next week. But basically here is the roadmap. You can pause the video and read through it as I scroll if you want to, or obviously just check out their website down below in the description because all the links to all these projects will be posted down below. So Heavenland Metaverse is for sure another awesome project to look into minting this week. And then we have probably the biggest mint we've seen in quite a while. It's called Botborgs. You have probably heard of this one because they're basically followed by every single influencer and project in the space, and they're just a massive project in general, almost 40,000 followers, and they have like 160,000 members in their Discord, which is just insane. So basically it's a play to earn open world sci-fi metaverse built on a multi-planetary ecosystem in the Borgverse. They're minting January 24th, which is tomorrow on Monday. The public mint is 9:20 p.m. UTC, and they're launching on the Magic Eden Launchpad. And right here you have their Discord server, which, as I said, had more than 160,000 members, which is just like crazy. And they've posted a ton of sneak peeks in their sneak peek section as well, which you can scroll through. They have videos of some gameplay, they have sneak peeks of their avatars, and just a bunch of different sneak peeks like this one. So I for sure think this project has a ton of potential, and this is for sure gonna do really well, unless they like screw a bunch of things up. But this is basically what their actual NFTs that you mint are gonna look like. I think they look really cool, and just the fact that you're gonna be able to use them in their metaverse too. And as you can see, their first sneak peeks are all the way back from October, so they've been working on this for a long time. But the mint is finally here, and I think this is gonna be a huge success. Now project number 4 on today's list is Dronies. Minting January 26th, they are watching uniquely generated drone birds heading to Solana, help uncover the mystery behind their purpose. So this is another really big project, of course, with 25,000 followers, also followed by a bunch of big influencers and projects. One thing to be a bit cautious of about this project is that the supply is 10,000 and the main price is actually 2.75 Solana, which is probably the highest supply to price ratio I've seen in months. So that's just a thing to remember. Personally, I'm not 100% sure yet if I'm gonna mint these, just because the price and supply is so high. They for sure have the potential to do really well anyways, and I might just mint one just to do it, but just be aware that the supply is high and the price is high. But basically here you have what they look like. They obviously do look really cool. Built using unique tech, these robotic birds are equipped with special features that allow it to record and upload data to an unknown source. And right here you have their roadmap, which is pretty long and really detailed, so I'm not going to go through this one either. I've read through it, but just do your own research on this project and do your own research on all of these projects basically, because this is not financial advice. Do your own research and invest at your own risk, because I'm just here to share some valuable information, because I cannot guarantee that these projects do well or not, or if they rug or not, even though I'm pretty sure none of these projects are gonna rug, but just always do your own research. So Dronies is for sure a really solid project to look into, even though I'm not a massive fan of the supply to price ratio. And the last project on today's list is the Infungible Play Your Own NFTs. Mint ours, play yours. Finished play to earn game live demo. You can rent your mecha for passive income. They have a docs team with former EA devs, and they're minting on January 25th. On the Magic Eden Launchpad, so that's in 2 days. So basically how this works is you buy one of these mechs and you can showcase your own NFTs in these screens basically. The supply is 7,777 and the price is 0.77 Solana. I would have liked to see the supply maybe dropped like 5,000 or maybe even a bit less, but it is what it is. This for sure has the potential to do really well still. This is another project I'm not 100% sold on yet. I'm not completely sure if I'm gonna mint this one, but it for sure has a lot of potential, and I do recommend you do your own research on this project and just look into it. They also do have a live demo, as I mentioned earlier, which you can try out. You can check it out on their website, where you can pair your NFTs with their mechs. So the Infungibles is the last project on today's list. So I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed these projects. If you did, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below. Follow me over on Twitter. Make sure to check out the Retro Wolves giveaway I'm doing on Twitter and the one I'm doing in Patreon if you decide to join my Patreon. Obviously, the link will be down in the description to my Patreon as well. Also, let me know down in the comment section what you think of these 5 projects, or if there's any project I missed out on, because there's always just some projects I miss. Also, let me know what projects you want me to cover going forward on the channel. I just like an hour ago when I'm recording this video also uploaded my very first 10 to 100 Solana challenge video, so definitely check that out if that sounds interesting. Now with all of that said, I hope you have a great day and I will see you guys later. Peace.